Hey, this is the 12th of November 2015. It's the festive time of the year, so wishing all of you a happy new year. What's really unique about Diwali historically is that it's been considered a good period to actually invest in, and one of the reasons it actually acts like a turn date. If you've studied how markets have behaved at prior occasions, it used to often rally and then consolidate, or maybe fall and then consolidate or correct into this time period for some reason, maybe because of the holiday season, and therefore it always offered a good opportunity to probably invest for the short to medium term at a relatively good level. So that's how it has been, and more recently, in the last couple of years, people started looking at Diwali for a potential top, because in 2010 you actually got the highest level made in the index at that point of time. And after that, every time we've seen the markets actually rally into this period, we've seen a correction afterwards. But essentially, the way I look at it is it's a seasonal period. Like many other seasonal trends, like the one where people often expect October to actually be the peak of the market, or rather a correction in October. So October actually has a history of more declines than actually up moves. But essentially, how seasonality works is the preceding period gets reversed. So if you have a good September, which is what tends to be most of the time, then October tends to actually go the other way. But if you look at a few occasions like 9/11, when actually markets fell into September, or 2011, then actually you saw some kind of a counter trend recovery into the subsequent period into October or early November. And so that's somewhat what we started to witness, because we did have a sell-off into September and we saw some recovery into mid or late October. But by the 23rd, we've actually seen a sell-off. So the point here is that into the seasonal Diwali season, you had a correction, and going by the fact that these periods tend to reverse trends, what we'll try to look for in the next couple of days, whether we have a short to medium term reversal here once again, and actually start heading higher. So the lows that we make around this period tend to be important. If they hold out, then you actually get a near-term trend reversal, at least nothing more than that. So that's what we'll be watching for. So far, all the moves, of course, have been counter trend since the low of September, so that doesn't change. But the point is that we've reached a turn point where you can get a reversal once again, and we'll be looking at how that works out over the next couple of weeks. So once again, wishing you a great year ahead, and that's all for me for today. Thank you.